In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your theme on Wix using the font and brand theme settings. If you want to quickly refresh the look of your Wix website without redesigning everything from scratch, this is a very useful feature to know. Wix gives you a simple way to update the overall style of your site by adjusting your brand kit and testing different theme combinations. This can help you create a more polished and consistent design, especially if you're still building your site and want to experiment with different visual styles. To get started, go to your Wix website and open the site editor. Make sure you're on the page where you want to review the design changes, because this will help you immediately see how the theme updates affect the layout and text styling. Once you're inside the editor, look toward the top area and click on Brand. This section is where Wix keeps the visual identity settings for your website. From here, click on the Brand Kit option. When you open it, you'll see different style combinations available. These combinations usually include coordinated font and design presets that can change the overall appearance of your site in just a few clicks. Now start clicking through the different combinations one by one. As you select each option, pay close attention to how it changes the look of your website. You may notice updates to the font style, the way headings appear, and the overall feel of the page. This is a great way to compare styles in real time and decide which one best matches your brand or the mood you want for your website. Take your time during this part. Even a small font change can make your site feel more modern, more elegant, or easier to read. If your website is for a business, blog, portfolio, or online store, choosing the right theme combination can make a big difference in how professional and cohesive your site looks to visitors. Once you find a combination that you like, you can keep it and continue editing the rest of your site as needed. That's really all there is to it. Wix makes this process very beginner-friendly, so you can preview different theme styles without needing any design experience. And that's how to change your theme on Wix through the brand kit settings. If you follow these steps, you'll be able to quickly test different looks and give your website a style that feels much more intentional and visually consistent.